And so now I know this is something that I think anytime we get a chance to talk one-on-one with families, so that's the question that's always on everybody's mind, when and how are we going to be able to expand the Dalton pathway? And so if we think back to that idea of our seed and our desire to create the conditions that will help each of our Dalton seeds to grow, we can serve students as young as 1 year old in mini Dalton, and then that goes up to little Dalton and currently up to our DSHK primary school. But our timeline now, as we look into the future, is we're planning to expand to middle school beginning in the fall of 2022. And so when we say middle school, we're thinking grades 6 through 8. And then by 2025, expanding to the high school. And so that would be grades 9 through 12. And so if you're wondering kind of what does that mean for current students, that would actually mean that our oldest students in P4 would be eligible for each of these pathways. So very excited to extend and expand the Dalton pathway. And so we sent a video out last week, and this is one that we've shared in the past as well from Sir Ken Robinson. And it's something that we always keep in the back of our minds. And I think Peggy even mentioned it when she spoke about the story of the founders, with this idea of a need for a paradigm shift in education. And so Sir Ken Robinson really speaks eloquently about it's so important that we have to move away from the 20th century industrial factory model of education and move into the 21st century that's much more focused on an organic model for education that is focused on human skills. And he even says, we keep talking about this idea of creating the conditions for students to learn so that each unique child can flourish.